Because this is an incredible opportunity. We kicked them off yesterday, as I mentioned. I met with our buyers. I met with you. I'm like, wow, these are really, really incredible. Yeah. And what we wanted to create, which is, we're not creating something that looks like a diamond. Nothing wrong with Diamond. These are diamond earrings for $279.98. They're diamond earrings for $56 right now on a credit card if you want to pick them up. So it's silver, it's yellow. We want to take a tour of these diamonds after we give you a sense of the scale and the retail story of the three of them. However, the silver story is flying. It looks like platinum and white gold. They're incredible. I'm just going to put them close together so that, Michelle, you can do a line or two on each one, from the 1 to the 3 to the 5. 1, 3, 5. So take a look at the 1. That is a retail value of $469 easily. Inside out earrings. Love, love, love them. Tell me about the 1 carat.
The 1 carat is just perfect. It's a little bit bigger than a Huggy. It's a classic size, and it is pristine and beautiful. As we go up in carat weights, the diamonds are going to get bigger as well, but there's 14 diamonds in total in each ear. Every angle, it catches the light. That's the beauty of the inside out.
And by the way, half gone in our silver in the 1 carat. That was most popular at midnight, half gone in its 11 o'clock in the morning.
That's the one Jane bought.
Then we're jumping to the 3 carat. Okay, this is where you're gonna, our camera people are gonna focus on the outside, but then we're gonna change focus to show the inside. Oh, who did that? Who's the TD right? Tony. Tony's not the first rodeo. Do that again, Tony. Oh my gosh, and you do the play-by-play. Well, here comes the front. Oh, that's gorgeous. Live? You see that?
So good.
Okay, here comes the inside. Beautiful.
Man, I'm telling you, we're the best in the business, don't we?
But it really shows off what we're seeing here, right?
Inside out, every diamond shows. You know, I love this so much. It's so modern and so forever. You're going to have it for a lifetime. These are the ones that I got as a gift from my mom yesterday.
The 3 carat.
The 3 carat.
3 carat
so
silver.
Excited.
Half gone. Your mom, Pat, bought you these earrings. Okay,
She did.
now we're going to switch up because we've got the 5 carat, everybody.
You were there
Go
when I
big,
found
go
out.
home. Guys, these are extraordinary. They're $1,400 now. If these were done, they're $1,429 retail.
Yes.
Let's just stop the train. If these were done in 14 karat gold, how much are they?
Oh my gosh. I mean, put it 3, 4, 5 times, 10 times. I mean, it depends. All things being equal, I will tell you that they are going to look like literally 5 figures.
Come on.
Okay?
Come
We're
on.
looking at VS plus clarity.
But now,
Real
when it comes,
near colorless.
5 carat, half gone. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come to Mary, our model. Here's why. Because Mary, our model, our superstar model, guess what happened? She is going to a wedding. It's the wedding of her son. It's going to be in Greece. Did I overshare? Is that okay? And so her hubby bought her the 5 carat for the wedding. So this is Mary, and this is, to help you make a distinction, Michelle, do the play-by-play because there's the 1, there's the 5, back and forth.
So that's the 1 carat. That's the one Jane got. The 5 is the one that Mary got. They're all good. You can't make a mistake. And they're so affordable. Some people are actually buying 2, Rick. They're buying the 1, and then they're choosing either the 3 or the 5.
All, by the way, on 5Z payments. No advance order. We've never, ever done this before in lab-grown diamond hoop earrings. We've never done this story before. We did it in sterling, but the gold clad is extraordinarily beautiful gold. It's gorgeous, 14 karat gold clad. When you see them, you're going to say, oh, those are gorgeous. And you get to say what? They're diamond earrings.
Thank you. They're my new diamond earrings.
They're my new diamond earrings. And they're diamond earrings. They're not Dominique for this price. So now let's dive into lab grown because we need to do that. And then we'll take a tour on the actual earrings in a second. But these are lab grown.
Lab grown diamonds are real diamonds.
Here's a graphic to help you out and what that means from a diamond graduate. These have been sent to the Gemological Institute of America. First question, is it a diamond?
It is a diamond. Whether it's from the earth or whether it's firelight, which is grown from the seed of a diamond over time, they are diamonds 100%. The same chemical, physical, optical properties, Rick.
Keep it going. 10 on the Mohs scale, scratch resistant. 1 is grown in a lab, 1 is grown in the earth, billions of years. But the result is they're a diamond. So if you get a dozen roses, would you ever say, oh, are these grown in a greenhouse or are these grown out in the wild? No, you wouldn't. You would say what?
I would say thank you for the diamonds, Rick.
Thank you for the roses, right?
Yes.
Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the diamonds.
Right.
So before we go on in the quality of these, because these are going to be some of the highest quality in the market,
Yes.
I'm going to take the gold in the 5 carat and just give you a tour of these.
Thank
and
you.
that includes the clasp on it, right?
Okay, so that's an expensive feature, right? We really upgraded that. It's a push button and click closure. So when you get these, this is a little pro tip from me to you, work them in, meaning open and close them a number of times before you put them in your ear, because they are fresh from the factory. These were designed and made exclusively for our Firelight collection.
Look at that little
Love it.
little lock into place. Boy, that locks. That's great.
You can
so there
sleep
is a
in them. You can
there
do
is a
whatever you
button
like.
on it. There's a
Yes.
button. These are really going to lock, guys. These are made so incredibly well. These are yours, and here comes the inside out. Now, when you see the quality of the diamonds, the matching of the diamonds,
Yes.
you grade lab-grown diamonds
Yes.
like you grade diamonds from the earth,
Because
right?
they're all diamonds.
Because they're
Right.
diamonds.
So what we do is we ask our vendors to send every diamond to the Gemological Institute of America. They incur that expense, and we do that and we mandate that so we know that we have curated the highest quality for you. We are looking at 5 levels up from even our own Diamond from the Earth program with regards to clarity. Every time you go up a step in clarity, and this is VS Plus, which means on the left-hand side, it's very slightly included, or to flawless, it falls within that range. But that red box is our minimum standard. On the right, you see our minimum standard in colorless quality. Again, we're looking at near colorless diamonds. I hope that gives you the peace of mind to know that you're getting great quality. You know, I really do believe, as a diamond expert, that you need to buy your lab-grown diamonds from QVC. I think we do it better than anybody in the world.
I'm not going to argue with that.
Right, and nobody else does that with the GIA.
I was here when Diamonique was here. I started 30 years ago. And I was here when Affinity Diamonds
Launched.
became a diamond brand here at QVC. And that quality and that quality control
So important.
is so important. And you've been here for so many years. So when we decided to launch the Lab Grown Story, it's the fastest growing line of jewelry on QVC. We said, we gotta make sure it's top of the line and it's the real deal. And now what you can get, everybody, when you get it, make no mistake, there's a lot of questions out there. There was questions over the years, lab grown or natural diamonds, if you will, right? Moissanite, all these different kinds of things.
Right.
The jury's out. These are diamonds, and people who are new brides are getting lab-grown diamonds.
Yes.
The mother of the groom is wearing lab-grown diamonds because they're diamond earrings. And why wouldn't you? Because you can I use the term more bang for the buck? Because that's what it is.
yes,
You can
yes.
get a larger stone, larger carat weight for half the price. Guys,
Yes.
this is a huge story, but you got to make a choice. So the choice that you're seeing in Mary is the 5 carat. That's what her husband bought her. Other side is the 1 carat. Now, the 1 carat's going very, very quickly. They're $279.98 for diamond earrings.
Somebody asked me if that was
That's-
an easy pay, so I want to make it clear that's not an easy
It's
pay.
$56 right now to
Yeah.
bring these home, try them on, take them to your jeweler, take them through with a jeweler's loop. They're diamonds all the way. They're lab-grown diamonds, but if you want the 1 carat, we don't have an unlimited supply that we have in this only time we've ever done it in that 1 carat story. In fact, here it is. 1 carat in the silver. Started with 2,400. Fewer than 900 to go around. Okay, there's 900 to go around, and that is going to do it. Then we're going to take it away. You know what happened yesterday with the Gundry Today Special Value? Completely sold out.
Yeah.
We launched this early. It rocked. How do you make your choice in the size? Obviously, price point is there. But now you have the 3 carat.
I love the 3
This
carat.
is where we got, because I love the fact that, actually, why don't you come over here? The
Oh,
Mary
sure.
has the 1
love
and
my
the
Mary.
5. And you have the 3.
The 3.
And we can just
Hi.
take a sense of scale and how it might look on you
Sure.
when you get it. So give some love to that 3 if you would.
Yeah, what I liked about the 3 for me personally is I wear glasses most of the time, and it wasn't too much with my glasses, but still it was showy. It's a classic size. It's just a little bit over 1 inch in total length. Mary's 1 carat, that's just a little bit under 1 inch. So as you get the bigger carat weights, you get bigger diamonds. So I love them. I think whether you get the 1, the 3, or the 5, you're going to be happy.
So in other words, it's not just the size top to bottom.
It's the size
or
of the
round.
diamonds.
It's the size of the diamonds as well.
Yeah.
So it's exponentially more, and you're getting exponentially more for less. $1,429. Now put these in gold, and let's just very conservatively triple the
gosh.
price,
Oh,
right?
very
and now
conservatively,
let's now take away lab grown,
Yes.
and now put
Now
them
we're looking
in
at
natural
5
diamonds.
figures in the
Now you're
5
looking at 5
carats.
figures. 5 figures. Like
That's
they're
what I
all
think.
under $1,000. Yeah, in fact,
So good.
one of the analogies is you could get now, today, right now, the 5 carat for under $1,000, for less money than the 1 carat
It's true.
in gold and natural
Yes,
diamonds.
he's so right. He's so right. As always, 100%.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Mary, congratulations on the exciting news and the exciting news within your family, of course, mostly important.
Okay, update time, J25224. Yeah, I want to go to a wedding in Greece. Come on, man. It's free shipping and handling. It's 5 easy payments, and this is the first time we have ever done this. So a great story. So when you first saw this, you got into this world of lab grown,
Yes.
right? And are part of this. What was your perception of it? Or was there skepticism? Or what did you need to...
No.
No,
I'm a
you
geek.
got it right away.
You probably know. I'm a nerd. I'm a nerdy girl.
Of the, well, there's of the science.
Right, and this is
of
the thing.
diamonds.
Because when I look at the science of it, when the analytical side of my brain took over, I was like, it's a no-brainer for me.
Because it's a diamond.
It's a diamond. And I remember you and I having that first conversation about the fact that we can now manufacture gem-grade quality diamonds, really high quality. And we were both really excited about it. We blew out all the inventory in our first shows.
Yeah.
Then we saw all these labs popping up. We stepped back because, guys, it matters where you buy your lab-grown diamonds.
Who's doing the lab-grown diamond? So we went to #1. We went to the best.
We did.
Also, I'll show that after we go through the choices again.
Sure.
Sharing that first show that we did, because it was a tricky show to do, because we launched this brand on QVC. You and I
we
did.
just love diamonds, you and I.
Yes.
We're kind of known for that.
And appreciate it. 1 carat jumps to 3, jumps to 5. The diamonds are larger. The hoops themselves are larger, right? But what you are getting is, I mean, the value is incredible in each one, but that value in that 3 carat and that 5 carat off the charts. You can now get the 5 carat for less money at retail than the 1 carat if that were done in natural diamonds and gold. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's an incredible story. I love the fact, and when you saw these, by the way, when you first saw these, did you know that they were done in sterling? Or did you look and say, oh,
I didn't.
They're white gold.
I like them better in sterling.
Like them better? Why?
Well, I love sterling silver, first of all. And Jane and I were talking, some of the most
She's the queen of silver.
Yeah, some of the most influential pieces have been done in silver over the years, historically. So silver is not a less than sister. It just happens to be less expensive right now. But there's a reason physically that I love it. And it is because of the tensile strength of sterling silver. These are going to be literally no maintenance. That clasp we put on it is very high-end and very expensive. You push the push button down and pull it apart to get in and out of them. Those are moving parts. If that was done in gold, 18 or 14 karat gold, over the years, yes, it would soften up.
Oh, that's a great point.
So I would prefer these in silver. That's why I took.
Who thinks about the mechanism? Like the mechanism matters.
Well, again, I'm a nerd, but yes, it does. It matters.
Boom,
a lot.
clicks, locks into place. An investment for a lifetime, everybody. So once again, we did that first show, and I got to tell you, in 1, in 3, and 5, and then silver, and then let's give some love to the gold as well.
Yeah.
I'll give some love to the gold in the 1 carat and put them side by side so that you can make a kind of a real educated choice on that. But when we did that first show, we were like legal was like off stage practically watching to make sure that we were clear about what this was. We were introducing it to our trusted, amazing QVC viewers who are confused. Like, what is a lab-grown diamond? So as you take a look at this, here comes that graphic again. And we were like, we had to be absolutely sure because it's not a quote-unquote natural diamond, but it is a diamond. We had to make that distinction.
Right.
It's a diamond. So is it a diamond? The answer is yes. Legally, within the industry, it's now a lab-grown diamond. Does it have the same physical, chemical, optical properties, like the hardness, the refraction, the dispersion, the bending of light? Is it cut like it? Yes, yes, yes. Same hardness, actually. Like, that's wild.
It is.
This is not an imitation of a diamond. It's a diamond grown in a lab, scratch resistant. One is grown in a lab, one is grown in the earth. Is it simulated? 2 X's on the bottom. It's not a simulated diamond. So the compliments come in, and you get to say, yeah, thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Probably got me new
Love my
diamonds.
You're not lying to anybody.
No, you're not.
You're saying, oh my gosh, look at my beautiful diamonds, and feel really good about it.
What about the color that you're seeing, like close up?
Colorless. These are colorless.
They're
This is where I tell
colorless.
people to live. Like when they call me, and someone recently did from in this building, called me and asked me to educate them on what colorless diamonds were as opposed to near colorless.
Yeah.
You cannot tell physically with the naked eye the difference between near colorless and colorless diamonds.
There's even actually like microscopic little little inclusions because it's a diamond.
Right. Well, that's
Right?
on the clarity side of the scale.
Yeah.
But you're right. Unless you have really sophisticated equipment and know what you're looking for in growth patterns, you will not be able to tell the difference.
You're
between the
looking at a
natural.
colorless diamond.
Yes.
And by the way, now you're looking at a colorless diamond, and then another one, and another one,
I
and another one, right? Because you're getting so many beautiful stones. So there's Mary again with the 1 carat. Her hubby bought her the 5 carat on the other side.